I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust sensitive content control on Instagram. So first we'll open up our profile by clicking the icon on the bottom right, and then we'll click the three lines on the top right-hand corner. Then we're going to scroll down until we see content preferences in the what you see section. We'll open that. Then we'll select sensitive content at the top here. And here you can choose between less, standard, and more. And then it basically lets you see that amount of sensitive content. And so if you want to restrict it as much as possible, go to less. Now this mentions basically it's going to show less sexually suggestive or violent content. You can confirm if you'd like to choose that setting, and then you're all set. And if you'd like to open it up and not have so many restrictions, you would select the more and then click confirm. Once you've selected your preference, you can go back, you are all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.